It was nice to see the sun this afternoon, but it was definitely filtered sunshine with all that haze, Matt.
Yeah, depending on where you were, the valleys, yes, downtown Portland, the east side neighborhoods, that filtered hazy sunshine. Up in the hills, it was clear as a bell, and over in Washington County, a completely different story, which I'll get to. But the air stagnation advisory for all of the western valleys, but it's only for elevations below 1,500 feet. That's, of course, where most people live, but the coast isn't under it. The Cascades and Northeast Oregon not under it. Hood River Valley is. They've got fog trapped there. But again, it's thick and it's murky when you're in it, like they are out in Washington County. This is live from the Reserve Golf Course Skycam. They never got out of the fog. It's only 36 degrees there right now, while other areas were close to 50, not far away. Now, it was a chilly start. It's 28 in Hillsborough, 30 in Portland and Troutdale, 30 in Aurora, and even below freezing at the coast. But we had teens in Sun River and Burns, Meacham, and 21 in Baker City. So a cold start all around Oregon. But look at the finish. This is Astoria right now. A clear blue sky up there, just some scattered high clouds way out on the horizon, and it's 42 at the beach. And if you have a clear sky tonight, this will be easy to see. Set an alarm on your watch perhaps for about an hour and a half from now at 6:34. The International Space Station will fly over Portland. It'll be flying from the west-northwest to the north-northeast. It'll be really quite bright. It moves at a constant speed. It's bigger than your kind of average twinkling star. It's always fun to look up and go, wow, there's people on that right now, and it's flying right over. Another chance tomorrow night. I think that'll be the brightest of the week. And then another chance on Wednesday. I'll post this on social media so you can check those times again. And obviously you need a clear sky, but many of us have that. Tonight in the Portland area, you'll be able to see it. Just step out and look in those directions. So kind of fun to see the space station. Now, the fog didn't burn off from much of the Willamette Valley, so yes, you would have a tough time seeing anything in the sky, but the Portland area did, as did most of Clackamas County, parts of Washington County there. Our high temperatures, 45 in Portland, but only 39 in Hillsborough, only 39 in Salem. Look at Bend and Redmond in the 60s there, kind of the hot spot in the state. Central Oregon, kind of that sweet spot where you are not in the fog, but you're not so high that it's cooling off yet. So we'll see temperatures like that again tomorrow. The big picture, big area high pressure right here on the west coast, and it's not going anywhere. The atmosphere is in a very stable configuration, which means it doesn't want to move. Likes it like this, but it will begin to break down, and the pattern will shift at the end of the week. So let's go through Futurecast. You don't see any of the green, the rain moving into the northwest until Sunday. This is Sunday afternoon, just impinging upon the coast at that point. Then it moves in and we start to get snow again up in the Cascades. So let's talk about that, since it's been, I was skiing this weekend. It was 50 degrees up on the mountain. It was weird, lovely, but it was a little bit strange. So this is beginning Sunday and going through next Thursday, the 3rd of February, and there's about 17 inches new on Mount Hood, lesser amounts as you go south, but we will go back to mountain snow and valley rain late in the weekend and next week. So don't worry, winter is not over, although we'll be dry tomorrow. Sunset at 5:07 tomorrow afternoon. So again, some really nice weather as long as you're not in the fog. All right, this is what it looks like on the big picture, the rain returning Sunday. And then a stormier pattern as we go into next week as we get a northwesterly flow, which should give us at least a few storms for the first part of next week. 40 right now, there's that haze that Laurel was talking about. And now that the sun has gone down, the fog is going to form really quickly in areas where there is no wind. So we'll keep an eye on that for you tonight as well. And the fog will get dense in some spots. With sunshine after morning fog or frost, high of about 48 tomorrow. 7-day forecast, it's dry all the way until Sunday. Just that balance between foggy areas and sunny areas. A little bit of an increase in the east winds tomorrow, Laurel, should help to keep Portland mainly clear. Back to you.
I know a lot of folks will be looking forward to that fresh snow when it comes next week.
It'll be good to get.
Thank you, Matt.